Welcome back to the rough example Datsun 510 project. Um, since last time we got the car into primer, you can see we've done a sealer primer, like a epoxy, over the whole car, and Caleb has started sanding it out and starting to block it, try and get everything straight. And it's really nice to see it all one color and sealed up. It feels like a big step in the process. So I'm excited. So today, I've just been working on catching up a couple of little details. There were some spots on the floor patch that didn't. I just didn't feel very confident about. The metal was kind of thin, so I'm addressing that and just kind of doing any like final metal work because at this point we're trying to wind down with that and just work on blocking out the car and don't want to be welding on it anymore. So yeah, I'm just kind of wrapping that up. We did not do the primer on the fenders and the doors yet because they weren't quite ready for that. But we're gonna get the doors mounted on here and he can start blocking this joint between the fender and the door to make sure that fits well. I also got the roll bar struts welded in and like the bottom plates. I just got it tacked in there, so I'll have to go back and finalize that in a little bit, but that should be wrapped up today finally. I've kind of been slacking on that, so I wanted to see if I can improve my welding skills a little bit through the process and hopefully get some nicer welds on those because it'll be showing. So the roof on this car had a lot of waves and bumps and dents and stuff in it, so it's taking a little bit more work to get it straightened out. But Caleb had skimmed the top of it with the filler and put the primer over the top, which kind of reveals the everything that's out of whack. Like you can kind of see right here. So he came and sprayed it with a guide coat of this black, and then as he's sanding it, it kind of reveals where the low spots are, which are these black spots. So he'll kind of keep sanding it until it's getting leveled out, and then maybe put some more filler on as needed. But it's just kind of a tedious process, but Caleb's good at it and he likes doing it. He was telling me this is his favorite part of the process. So, he'll be doing that down the side of the car, and then we'll probably have to do another coat or two of primer in between. Like he'll block it down, primer it, block it down again, do some more primer just to make sure that everything is totally straight and level. So another thing that I've been working on this week is that I received my rear air ride kit. I've been working with Silver Mine Motors on helping them develop this for the 510. Previously, we had tried to do like an air strut, and there just wasn't enough room in there in the strut tower because the bag was just conflicting with everything and like interfering. So we opted to go this route with a 2-inch deep cup, which I welded into these trailing arms. So I had to cut this out with the plasma cutter, and then go around and grind it so that it was perfectly even, and then inset this airbag cup, and then this will just drop in like that, and the bolt will go up through the bottom. And then this will attach to the chassis so that I can get this sitting pretty low. I have a really crazy driveway, and it's just super steep at the top, and you'll scrape. So I basically have to have this car on bags if I want it to be even remotely lowered. Not looking to get it all the way onto the pan or anything, but just a little bit more aggressive looking. So this is what I had to do, and I've always liked air ride. So next step on these will just be kind of cleaning them up, repainting them. There's just a ton of rust and 45 years of crap on there. So anyway, that is about all I've got for today. So I appreciate you following the channel and watching my videos. Hopefully it inspires you to work on your car and get out there and do your projects. So thanks again, and have a good weekend.